I currently am right outside Mini Kelowna, and we have some business to attend to today. Something that I don't really want to do, if I'm being honest. Yeah, I'll just say it. I'm selling my JCW, but not for the reason that you might think. And I'll tell you why in this video. It's not all sad though, because we have tons of really cool mini projects and BMW projects in the future. My name is Ethan, and welcome to Car Creations. There it is over there. Just have to go in and see if they want to buy it, and if they want to buy it for the price that I want. Just notice over here this really cool Cayenne. For a while I was thinking about getting one of these, but right there, it does look amazing. Imagine that lifted. Be amazing build, but I wasn't sure if I could handle modding such an expensive car. I also didn't know if you guys would like that. Well, I sold my mini JCW, and it was a lot easier coming to Mini and selling it, I must tell you. We just went inside and signed her up, and there we go. Mini sold, but we still have another other minis on the channel, so we should be good there. Lots of minis on our channel. The next main thing we're gonna focus on our channel is my F55 build. We're gonna completely change that car, looking amazing. We're gonna put literally everything on it. I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. I just bought these exact lights for it. So we're gonna retrofit those on from the halogens it has on before. So that will look amazing, but once we get the frame unbent, obviously. These rims look so good. Why did I end up selling the Mini? Well, there's a number of reasons. Well, I'll say the biggest reason. There wasn't really anything for me to do on it. I didn't want to de-chrome it. I love the chrome. I didn't want to upgrade the brakes. They're perfect. I didn't want to add more horsepower. It would just slip out. I didn't want to do anything. I just wanted to drive it, and that's it. And that doesn't really make, well, half the fun for me of a car is modifying it. So it wasn't really doing that. It was too perfect, so I had to sell it, unfortunately. The other thing was I already have 2 other minis. I don't need 3 minis on the, well, for myself, never mind on the channel. And I'm gonna be spending a fair bit of time out in Detroit working on that 4-door, fixing that up and working on that build and getting that to something really cool. So I didn't have any time out here to spend driving it, and I was just putting payments on it, and it just wasn't working. Kind of sad to see it go. But on to bigger and brighter things. And I did say my 2 videos ago when I talked about why I love that car, that I'd only sell it if I was gonna get something better. So stay tuned. In the next year, we're gonna have something really cool added to the channel. So subscribe now if you have a chance. So there it is. Goodbye, Mini JCW. You were too perfect. Kind of a funny problem to have when the car is too perfect, eh? So yeah, that's the reason why I'm selling. Anything I did do, I kind of did before I started YouTube as well. Didn't want to mod it. I had warranty on it. Didn't want to touch anything. But yeah, it does look amazing. But we will make the rest of our cars look this good. I think the time right now is for one last amazing B-roll of this awesome car. This is the Mini Cooper JCW. Today is the day I'm getting my race exhaust installed on my Mini Cooper. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the new Mini GP digital dials. Alright, so I just came across this amazing LCI2 JCW. Look at that. That front really grew on me. Don't think I liked it at first, but after a while, oh yeah. If I had this car, I would change the color of the intercooler so it would be black. Manual, heated steering wheel. 52 grand. Yeah, that's why I'm not upgrading to a new JCW. Look at the back. That looks so good. What do you guys like the best? Do you like the Cooper S, the Cooper front, or JCW? I think I like the JCW one the best. My issue was with selling this car. I would just sell it privately, but I had so many people that came that wanted it. They just couldn't get a car loan through their bank. And that was the biggest problem with selling this car privately. That's why I had to go through a dealership. Because a dealership, they'll give a car loan to basically anyone and they'll use the car as collateral, whereas a bank doesn't really work that way. People that want to get it privately had a really hard time. So that's why I had to go to a dealership to sell it. Yes, I know it won't get as much, but unfortunately, I had it posted for 7 months and no one could come with the funds to buy it. So to the dealership it went. Did get distracted by these two M240i's. There's another one over here. I do like it in black too, but I think I might like the white one better. Look at that. I cannot believe car prices right now. So when I bought my car, it was basically what this car is right here. So it's a all 4 Clubman S, the base lights, base everything. Basically everything the same. This Clubman right now, it's for sale for almost 24 grand. That is crazy. And has 124,000 kilometers. Anyway, that's the video for today. Leave in the comments what you'd like to see us do to our current builds we have on the channel. Might know I'm a bit sad about things, but that's only natural, I think. Most of all, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you all in the next one. I do like the blacked out exhaust tips. Looks amazing. I don't see this one's exhaust anywhere. Hello? Any exhaust anywhere under there? Where'd the exhaust go? Oh, it's just plastic under there. Huh. I wonder what they did with the exhaust.